Now let's move on towards the study of another type of fission, that is multiple fission. As the name refers, multiple means many, fission division. So division in multi-part or many parts. So how can we define the multiple fission? The type of fission in which parent body get divided into many parts and later on each part develops into the new organism. Multiple fission में एक single parent जो है, it can give rise the multi-organism number. So the best example, that is Plasmodium, malarial parasite. The Plasmodium cell I am drawing here, Plasmodium, and it is causes the malaria, so that is why it is called malarial parasite. And this Plasmodium, it contains the nucleus, and as a time of multiple fission, this nuclear become multinuclei. That means the single nucleus, it is developed into multi number of nucleus. So there are many nucleus got formed inside a parent Plasmodium. So you can see here the many different nuclei. From one nucleus, the multi number of nuclei has got formed. And innerwardly जो cytoplasm है, यहाँ पर जो cytoplasm filled up है बेटा, it take covering of each nucleus and one membrane is getting formed here. यहाँ पर जो पूरे में cytoplasm fill था अंदर, वो इस न्यूक्लियस के पास डिपॉजिट होना शुरू होता है and one membrane start covering here. So innerwardly we can say, along with one nucleus, this type of structure is going to form. You can see here, one nucleus is now covered with the separate membrane inside the parent Plasmodium, and in that manner you can see how many nucleus along with this plasma membrane innerwardly they have formed. And later on when they got maturity, so this outer covering get burst up and these all separated nuclei along with plasma membrane, they are separated here. So in that form we can say that these all new offspring, new individuals are formed, and these are called sporozoids. इनको sporozoids कहा जाता है. They are called the sporozoids. And each single sporozoid, it enters into our RBC or mammalian RBC, और वहां फिर से वो asexual division करेगा, and one single sporozoid again going to mature in the Plasmodium, which is again undergo multiple fission, and फिर से उसमें क्या बनेंगे, multinuclei. फिर से बहुत सारे अंदर multinucleus फॉर्म होने के बाद सेपरेट हो जाएंगे मेम्ब्रेन से साइटोप्लाज्म के थ्रू. अगेन आरबीसी गॉट बर्स्ट अप, सो दे रिलीज. तो इस तरह से जो है प्लाज्मोडियम, इट शोज द मल्टीपल fission. You can see here these all when they release, so now the multi number of Plasmodium is got formed.